like-minded individuals, and you can network. We really hope you do this because networking is the most powerful tool in winning a culture war.
I couldn't have said it better, Tim, and that's why everybody watching should join the Connector app community on Twitter and on Telegram and on connectorcoin.org. Connector app helps you find people with your values so that you can create productive networks of people who share your values on a map.